This network-attached storage-oriented case offers an unusually dense layout with room for 12 hot swap hard disk drives and 4 solid-state drives, making it ideal for serious home servers and media archives. Support for large extended ATX motherboards, multiple high-power graphics cards, and a standard full-length power supply lets you build anything from a simple file server to a compact high-performance compute box in the same chassis. The removable top panel and modular drive cages make drive installation and maintenance far less tedious than in most storage-focused enclosures with similar capacity. Pre-installed rear fans and generous mounting options on all sides provide strong airflow potential, which is crucial when you are spinning a dozen mechanical drives and possibly several graphics cards. The mix of steel, aluminum, and real wood accents gives the case a distinctive living room-friendly appearance that does not look out of place next to audio equipment or furniture. Modern front panel connectivity, including a fast Type-C port, rounds out the design and makes it easy to hook up external drives or peripherals without reaching behind the system.